All right, guys, we've got the ADPTOYU vacuum sealer machine. Here it is right here. You can see that digital readout, so it times it and shows you how well it's doing. What you have is you have two buttons, single seal and vacuum seal. We're gonna try vacuum seal live today. I'm not a kitchen guy, I'm not an appliance guy, but we're gonna see if we can do it live here, because if I can do it, if an idiot like me can do it, you can do it better. So all you do is plug this into your wall. We've got that set up. What you have is you have 10 bags. You've got one this size, and you've got some smaller. You've got five the big size and then 5 the smaller size. So you've got a couple different size bags to get started. You also have this device, and what this allows is when you're ready to open your bag after it's vacuum sealed, you can easily, it's got blades there that are safe, and you just put the bag there and chop it, and it'll open up. So we're gonna try it right now. Now, inside the unit itself, there's just 2 clips, and you just put the bag in between those 2 clips, which you're gonna watch me do right here. So those are placed in between there evenly. And then what we do is we press it, we lock it closed. We wanna make sure it's locked on both sides. All right, it is locked on both sides. So you can see the bag's in there, the brat's in there. We're gonna click vacuum seal. And as you can see, it's sealing it. Yep. And I think it counts to 15. Yeah. And then it backs off. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's completed now. Now what we do, all we do to open it up is there's just buttons on both sides here. Press those. And dude, straight up, I can tell you that's vacuum sealed. So that's how cool and easy it is to use. Even a moron like me can do it. And that says something, guys. Now, we want to try to, I don't want to cut myself, but let's see if we can cut it open. We'll use this to cut it open, all right? Okay, there it is. Boom. Look at that. That's how easy it was to use. It's back open again. So I can confirm these things are very handy, whether you're like vacuum sealing and freeze drying beans or meat or whatever it is, and maybe putting it in the freezer. Dude, I can tell you, if an idiot like me can do this, you can do it better.